Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Peugeot 508 and we have replaced its original multimedia system to a 9-inch Android screen. Here you can see we removed its original radio, original system, and install a 9-inch Android screen. This is a massive big screen you can see with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both are wireless and very easy to connect. Here first of all we have like a speedometer. This is connected with the GPS. Then we have this home menu. In the home menu we have this music player. As you see, this car has a JBL as well, so if you have a JBL sound amplifier, so you can connect JBL system with the screen. There is no problem with the connection. Here you can see, so my music is working. I have some shortcut applications here: Spotify, Netflix, YouTube. All these applications needs internet that I don't have any internet connected to the screen, but when inserting a SIM card or giving a Wi-Fi with the screen, you will get internet on the screen and you will able to use the Netflix, Spotify, YouTube, navigation, all other applications. Then we have this Apple CarPlay shortcut. So right now my iPhone is connected, so it will take a little bit time to connect. So here it is prompting to not use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth while using CarPlay. But here you can see all available navigations, Google Maps, Spotify, phone, music, everything is available here that you have in your mobile phone. We have SoundCloud, Spotify, Google Maps, Skype, Telegram, Teams, WhatsApp. So that's I don't have lots of applications for Apple CarPlay, but if you have many applications, this will appear on your screen. So there's the Apple CarPlay. It's wireless completely, but you can use wired CarPlay as well. It has wired CarPlay for the old iPhones, plus it has the Android Auto if you have an Android phone. Then I will go back to the home menu here. So these buttons are also working here. If you like to tap on the radio, it will appear on radio. If we tap on the media is like this. Here setup is like for settings. You can you go back again. Here we have Apple CarPlay that is cancelled. I am just want to check. Okay, so here tapping back, we will go to the home menu of the Android screen. Then we have the app menu. In the app menu we have lots of applications like App Store, Bluetooth music, calculator, CarLink, Chrome, equalizer, fan. This is a cooling fan back of the screen for temperatures, for dropping down the temperature. I will set this to 50 degrees and we will like here it's on 50 degree. When the temperature reaches at more than 50 degrees centigrade, it will automatically turn on. But you can keep this always on as well, like here or from here as well. I am turning on for 50 degrees. So here you can see on going up to 51 degree temperature, it is automatically turned on. Then again on the home app menu we have file manager, gallery, Google, HD DVR. I have not connected the DVR, but I will connect right now this DVR as well for in the front of the screen. So here we have iGo navigation. This an offline navigation, works for complete Europe without internet or anything else. So here you can see, I will select Norsk because it's a Norwegian customer. Next, so here you can see it's showing on Malmvägen 18D. Here is our shop address. We are in Sollentuna, Stockholm right now, so that's working without any kind of internet. You can see there is no Wi-Fi connected here, no SIM card. We have maps, we have music player, navigation shortcut, Play Store, we have radio app, settings, Spotify, steering wheel control, touch assistant. We have some vehicle settings for like vehicle systems, some other settings. We have video player for watching the video while driving. You can watch video while driving the car. So here you can see I will go back on the app menu again. So here we have some other applications other Yandex Navy, YouTube that I have shown you earlier. So that's the video for today. If you have any questions, queries, so you can ask us in the description below, comment below. I will provide all the contact information in the description. It's sale@tereteknik.se or WhatsApp information as well, so you can reach us easily. That's the video for today. See you next time with a brand new video. Bye bye.